Today, we're diving into the hidden world of luxury, where private jets are just taxis, gold-plated yachts are the norm, and a single dinner can cost more than an average person's yearly salary. Welcome to the life of the ultra-rich, the homes of the super-rich. For the wealthy, a home isn't just a place to live, it's a status symbol. And forget about simple mansions, we're talking multi-million-dollar estates with features straight out of a sci-fi movie. Some of the most luxurious homes in the world include Antilia, Mumbai. A $2 billion skyscraper mansion owned by billionaire Mukesh Ambani with 27 floors, 3 helipads, and an entire ice room to escape the heat. The one, Los Angeles. A 100,000 square foot mega mansion featuring a nightclub, a bowling alley, and a movie theater. Because why go out when you can bring the entertainment to you? Bel Air's $500 million mansion with over 20 bedrooms, multiple infinity pools, and a garage full of Bugattis and Ferraris, this estate defines over-the-top wealth. For billionaires, home security also goes beyond alarm systems. Some estates are fully bulletproof, equipped with underground bunkers, and even have escape tunnels in case of an emergency, private jets and flying palaces. For the ultra-wealthy, flying commercial is not an option. They don't wait in long security lines, nor do they deal with delays. Instead, they own private jets, where even first class seems basic. The Gulfstream G700, a $75 million private jet with a king-size bedroom, a shower, and even a dining area for onboard fine dining. The Boeing 747-8 VIP, a $400 million flying palace, customized with gold-plated interiors, private offices, and a full master suite. Drake's Air Drake, a custom Boeing 767 turned into a luxury lounge with velvet interiors, private cabins, and a sound system that turns the plane into a flying club. For the top 1% of the 1%, jets are just the beginning. The real elites own private islands, complete with personal airstrips and staff that cater to them 24/7, supercars and hypercars. Owning a car isn't enough in the world of luxury. The ultra-rich need a collection of hypercars with price tags that would make even millionaires hesitate. Some of the most exclusive supercars include Bugatti La Voiture Noire, a one-of-a-kind $19 million hypercar built for a single elite client. Rolls-Royce Boattail, the world's most expensive car at $28 million, featuring a built-in champagne fridge and a pop-up dining set. Mercedes Maybach Exelero, an $8 million luxury monster, combining speed with the elegance of a private yacht. For the ultra-rich, cars aren't just about speed, they're about making a statement. That's why many billionaires customize their vehicles with gold plating, diamond-studded interiors, and even bulletproof glass. Billionaire shopping sprees. While most people save for months to buy a designer handbag, billionaires can spend millions in a single shopping trip. Some of the most insane luxury purchases include $1.5 million iPhone, a custom gold and diamond-encrusted iPhone that costs more than a Lamborghini, $10,000 gold-plated coffee maker. Because why drink coffee like an average person when you can brew it in solid gold? $200,000 sneakers, limited edition, diamond-covered Nikes that are only available to a handful of clients worldwide. And when they want to relax? The world's wealthiest visit exclusive members-only clubs like Silencio in Paris, or the Core Club in New York, where membership alone can cost up to $250,000 per year. Even vacations for the ultra-rich are on another level. Forget 5-star hotels. Billionaires rent out entire luxury resorts, castles, and even private countries. Luxury isn't just about wealth, it's a mindset, a way of life, and an entry into a world where money can buy almost everything and accept true exclusivity. Would you want to live this life, or is it all just an illusion of happiness? Let us know in the comments. And if you love exploring the world of hidden wealth,